Good morning. So today we want to take a quick look at Accelerate Education and how we navigate the platform. So the first thing you're going to want to do is log in. So you can click on Use Application Login. And after you have successfully logged in, when you go to the far left side and click at the top, it's going to give you the opportunity to go into Accelerate Education. You're going to be able to see all users by clicking here. So all students who are enrolled in your platform, you would simply click users. In terms of courses, you would click on courses. So I'm not going to click on users because I don't want you to see anything confidential. I will click on courses because there's nothing confidential there. So here, you're going to see a list of all the courses uploaded into your platform. And I just want to be able to give you an opportunity to navigate and to see how a course would be navigated. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually click on a course. And when I come up here, again, if I click on enrollments, I'll see all the students who are enrolled in the course. And I would also see if the teacher is enrolled in the course properly. And then I could also see a history of everything that has happened in the course. And then I could also see the other people who might be subscribers to the course. For example, like an instructional assistant or a learning coach or a home facilitator or whatever term you may have assigned to other people within your school system who help monitor the progress of your students. So I'm going to click here. If I go down to activities, I'm going to see a breakdown of the course. So from a teacher perspective, if I click on resources, here's where I'm going to be able to find the teacher's guide. So the teacher's guide is very important for me as a teacher because I'm going to see the syllabus, the outline of expectations for the course. I'm going to see the layout of the course, the structure, and all those things. And to progress through this teacher's unit, I just keep pressing next. And it'll eventually take me to the syllabus and the scope and sequence and the structure of the course, and most importantly, the answer keys and suggestions for differentiation. So these are all helpful tools that are already embedded within all of the Accelerate Education courses. So I'm going to come down here, and if I click on one of these folders, if I click on the arrow, it's going to break down the entire unit for me. It's going to provide a study guide that I can assign to my students. It can also be helpful to me as a teacher as I begin to teach. Then it's going to give me a breakdown of all the lessons that will be taught and all the essays, assignments. If you're in a science course, there might be a lab and things of that nature. So all of these items will be present when I click on the folder. So I'll be able to see all of that. Now, if I come back here, if I want to see the grade book, and I'm not going to do that because I don't want to compromise the confidentiality of any of our students, but if I were to click on the grade book, I would be able to see everything in the grade book. And in the next video, I will show you how to actually grade. Again, when the grade book opens up, you have a list of all your students on the left-hand side. You have a list going across the top of all the assignments that are gradable activities. And then when you go to grade, you can click on the actual, there are little boxes for each assignment that you can actually click in and take care of the grading there. And I will display how to do that in the next video. Again, people, if I want to see the people in the course, I would click here. If I want to edit any of the assignments, I would click here. So in edit mode, again, you're going to click on the arrow. If you want to hide an assignment from your students, you just click on the eyeball, and that will make it invisible for the students. You can see that already occurred with the teacher module study guide. So it's real easy to adjust whether students can view an assignment just by clicking on the eyeball. And then if I want to edit anything, I just click on the edit button. Okay, so that's very, very user friendly. If I click on edit, I can go into the back end of the settings of the assignment. I can look at the settings and see what the activity settings are. I can also monitor the history or details of that assignment. So it's pretty easy to navigate. And then like when I want to edit something, I just click on edit. I would go into the course and edit the assignment. I could add a video. I could add some content, things of that nature. And at the very end of that lesson, I would just click save and everything will be right there for me. In terms of reports, so objectives real quickly, if I click on objectives, there are no objectives or to display here or objective maps. But if there were, what I could do there with the objectives is that would give me an alignment. And since this course is an AP course and it's already aligned to AP, there probably are not any objectives attached there. In terms of reports, I can get activity reports by student. I can assess their mastery by standard. I can get test analytics. I can find out user activity and find out how long a student spent on an assignment. So I have all that there. And then in terms of communication, if there were students enrolled in this course, I could actually go in and communicate with my student. And then there are Accelerate Education reports here. These reports, these would take me to more data-specific reports. And then there are Learning Coach resources here as well. So that's kind of how courses are laid out within Accelerate Education within the Buzz platform.